Hey BYD family, welcome back to BYD Insider, your go-to channel for smart, stylish, and protective upgrades for your BYD Atto 3. Today, we're spotlighting a fantastic interior protection bundle, custom-fit silicone covers for your door handles, gear shift, and center armrest. These simple accessories make a huge difference in how your car looks and feels. First off, protection. These covers help shield high-touch areas from scratches, dirt, sweat, and daily wear. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or have little ones on board, these spots take a beating, and now they're covered. Next, grip and comfort. The soft-touch silicone material feels premium and adds a non-slip grip that enhances the driving experience. The gear shift feels smoother, the door handles more secure, and your armrest way more comfortable. They're also heat-resistant, easy to clean, and incredibly durable. Plus, installation? Super simple. Just slide them into place and you're good to go. Want the same set? I've dropped the exact product link below so you can order it with confidence. And if you love upgrading your BYD Atto 3 like I do, make sure to subscribe to BYD Insider for more helpful reviews, install guides, and smart car care tips. Protect your touch points the BYD way.